What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Rev Rain. We got something pretty important for the shop. We got ourselves a 4-post lift and we got a hell of a deal on it. Got everything loaded up in the trailer. There are no instructions since we got it used, but we're gonna set it up right here. We're able to pull in through this door up onto the lift. I'm gonna put you guys on the charger while we unload some of this stuff. 3, 2, 1. Oh. So we're sitting here brainstorming and we don't really know how we're gonna get this up. This part has to go 9 feet in the air. That's the top cross member. And then these big ass things are heavier than hell. So I don't know how we're gonna get those. So Nevin, what's your idea?
Forklift?
Yeah.
Rent a forklift?
Well, yeah, I think we're gonna rent a forklift. We just gotta clear this space out and then get a bunch of dudes in a forklift and set it up. So over the past week or so, we've been tearing down, or Nevin has been tearing down this office space. And so there used to be, from that wall all the way over was office space. Now it's torn down and the lift is coming in, but we were thinking we want to extend at least the middle office space up to the ceiling. But however, we're keeping this office just there, not to the ceiling. We could maybe have some storage up there and even do the same thing on this side and have a little loft and have a ladder going up, a little hangout stream area possibly. Just get rid of it, because that ceiling goes quite a bit higher above the drop ceiling. It's a loft, or it's a kind of curved roof, and I think that'd be pretty cool if we had a little space up there. So hypothetically, a little higher, but this would be the angle from the loft. We could do recordings from up there and have little like podcasts or interview style content, and this will be our background. I think that'd be pretty cool. I've also been thinking of ways to live stream. Let me know if you want to see any streams from this place. So since we'll eventually have customers in here, this will be, it's a little dirty right now with all my car parts, but this will be the first walk-in area, so that leads to the very front of the building. You'll walk in, we'll have the waiting room right here. There's a hole in the wall right here for a window, so you can see your car being worked on if you're a customer. And then, where these two hooligans are, you can... We're gonna have some barn doors right here that slide left and right, and it'll be a whole doorway. And if we come over here, that doorway will open up into another office space. And this will be the kind of chill hangout room. We're gonna have pool table right here, racing sim, wheels on the wall. There'll be another wall right there, and then another wall right there, I believe. And then here will be our other office space for our personal use. That'll be where our editing computer is, where we hang out, all our stuff. And we'll have merchandise for sale in here, wheels for sale, suspension, steering wheels, all that. And just a cool, chill hangout area. I hope you can kind of envision it. There's a lot of clutter here. So it's kind of like a linear experience. You got the waiting room, walk into the game room, and then back there is our office. So 1, 2, and then 3 rooms. You'll see soon enough the next episodes when we actually build it. I guess for now, that's all we can do until we get a forklift, because this is all way too heavy. Check out Nevin's new snow shoes. Those look really nice. These new tires?
Those ones are brand new. These ones have maybe 50% tread life on them.
Sweet. They got some poke to them?
Wide boys, a little bit.
Yeah?
Still running my 1-inch spacers.
1 inch?
1 inch.
Jesus. The monster truck fitment. Fist test right now.
Dude, that's just embarrassing, man. That's embarrassing.
I mean, it's a diesel. It's gotta have some off-road capability.
Angle grinder to the strut.
Yeah, diesel in the winter goes crazy. Yep. Me and Jesse and Nevin went out to get Chinese food and chopsticks. I had to save that. That's too funny. So these are the 4 posts that go into each corner, and then these 2 big honkers are where you drive up onto. And then up here, this goes over top and locks everything in place. When you, I don't know what the word for it is, extend it, I guess, raise it. These lock in, and that's going right there. Got a little leak in our walls. Wait for the air to come in, and you'll see the flag flutter. I want to just get a shit ton of flags and layer the top of the whole garage in flags. I wonder if how cheap we can get some. I wonder if like Temu sells really cheap flags that we can put up. Then I kind of don't want to give my information to Temu and buy stuff off there, but maybe TikTok Shop. I'll check out TikTok Shop. Ooh, I'll tell you what I want. I want a big ass Rev Rain, either logo or text on my back windshield. That'd be cool. That or a big banner on the front. That'd be sick. We gotta make banners. What do you think, Jesse? Banners?
Maybe.
Maybe. Tell you what, if you own any flags or banners you want to send us, let me know. Get in touch with me, and I'll put them up all along there. If you own any brands or like a car content company or clothing or anything, well, we just need flags to cover the top of our walls because it doesn't look too pretty right now. But hit me up. I'll put them up.
2 weeks later.
It has been a couple weeks since the last clip I recorded, and we're just about ready to put up the lift. We got our area prepped right here, and this week we're gonna be ready to put it in. How low was that?
You definitely have to shoot.
Yeah. You got a guy bringing a forklift, what, Saturday or Friday?
Right now, Friday.
Friday, okay. So the way we're setting it up, because it's gonna be offices right there, we're having it 3 feet away from this office wall, so we have a little walkway there and we can have doors open. You can see here, there's one post there and another there. I'm not sure, I don't think that those are exactly as long as it's gonna be, but that'll give you a rough idea. So from right about there out to here, that's our lift space. So that door will be our entrance door when we are pulling cars up onto this lift. So since we didn't take it down, we're kind of cross-referencing this image right here that we took before it got taken down, and just trying to see how the hell this thing goes back together. It's like building Legos, but without the instructions. And except this Lego set, every piece is a couple thousand pounds. Are we gonna be able to clear with that furnace there?
Good question.
Because we're gonna want it a couple feet from the wall anyway to have an alignment machine, or the sensors there. Okay, so wall, walkway, and then this is the inside side of the post or the outside side of the post?
Post is gonna go like that.
Okay, so we'll have that amount of room to walk, which that's enough for a door to swing open or us to walk through. And then this pegboard wall in here, I think we should keep the pegboard wall up there, so I can have all my tools up there. This would be really nice to hang wrenches and everything on. Yeah. So it's just that whole wall will be tools.
What's up?
Hey, how you doing?
What's up? Then I think your front bumper needs a doctor appointment.
Laying out the plan. Give me some sugar. So I'm on the hunt for blue painter's tape. I don't know where that is though. Where could blue paint be, or blue tape be? Oh, right there. Got some. A little bit left.
Get a ball cap.
Yeah, I got trucker hats, I got beanies, I can get all that type of stuff. Which leads me into our new merch. So we got stickers, we got flags, embroidered patches, embroidered hats, embroidered beanies, some new shirts. If you guys want merch, head over to revrain.com and pick up what you want. I don't have any on me right now, otherwise I'd be wearing a Rev Rain hat. But I just set up the store yesterday. Oh, I gotta show you this. This is a perfect rendition of our offices. So we got our office, the staff office. We got the middle hangout area. And then we got that office right there. What?
Take out my rendition.
I didn't say, I said it was a perfect rendition. And then, so in this corner, right there, I want to have this style of desk with the triple monitor. And that's me right there. And I think that'd be pretty badass to have that desk in the corner. You'll see when we have it done. It'll be pretty cool. These sections I'm standing on are actually pretty cool. So these go in between the car. So wheel would be there, wheel would be there. This is the center of the car. And these kick out onto the frame of the car. They have little air inlets. And once you pump full of air, it's like a scissor jack. And it'll lift it up and lift the car up in the middle, so we can take off wheels and work on everything. Although so far we have 1 out of 4 pads for them, so we'll have to get some more of those. And I'm sure these probably don't work the best right now and have to be serviced, but whatever, we'll get them serviced. Just you got them picks. So that should be, if I measured correctly, how long the lift is right there, which gives us plenty of room to walk in here. And even pulling in a car, we can still swing it where Nevin's GTI is. These need to be kicked out wider, but that'll be this side of the post. These two posts will be right here, and then probably there and over there. So I still have no idea what brand this lift is. Do you?
No.
I'm gonna go on a hunt, try to see what brand this lift is. Here we go. Challenger lifts, I think. I bet we can look this up, and yeah, model number 24012. Let me look that up and see if there's any instructions. You found a manual? That'll help a lot. Wait, so that lift's a Challenger. Did we buy a Challenger?
We got the Detroit lift, 100%.
We got the boat. Funny thing is, a Challenger probably weighs more than this lift.
I would hope so.
Dude, so a brand new Challenger 4-post lift, $21,000.
Really?
Yeah, we got this for $1,800. That's a hell of a deal right there. Our next post is going right underneath that table, so we have to move all of that. Copyright 1992. That's how old this lift is. Not that bad. So this will actually work out nice. We're extending the garage door out to the man door, so it'll be much wider, and it'll be about lined up to this.
$35,000.
That's crazy.
It's actually not that bad of a
No, it's not.
That's me.
I bet you we could kickflip this. Okay, do a shove it. I bet you can do it.
Hear me out.
Oh. Nah, you gotta jump. When you jump, he spins.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
If you get a little more oomph, you can do that.
2, 1.
Gotta hit that. Whip that hoe.
3, 2, 1.
I get so much gum in
All right, I'll be on this side.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
More gumption.
More gumption. All right, ready?
3, 2, 1.
More gumption.
Harder. Whip it. 3, 2, 1.
Oh. So theoretically, I just have to jump up and then land.
Yeah. Ready?
All right, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. All right. Gumption. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah, I gotta tuck. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah, I don't think that's possible. It's possible, but throwing a backflip in there, that'd be sick. Backflip 360.
Can you do a backflip and then like land right back where you were?
I don't know. Maybe. Should we see? Should we like mark out?
How close you can do it?
Yeah. I don't know. Can I?
Definitely not with that on there.
No? If I can stay kind of level with this. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's just...
You're like 2 feet backward.
Yeah. I gotta like go straight up. Nah, I'm so far back.
Yeah, you're like good 2.5 foot.
Tuck it straight up.
Your knees were so close to the ground.
Those are some big boy bolts. What kind of head do they have?
So you just tap this down.
Oh, okay.
And you tighten this down to like.
Oh, so it's a stud?
Stud, you
That is a stud.
So you drill the hole first, and then
ain't gonna pound this.
Just pound straight through the stone.
drill the hole first.
You Goomba stomp it. You put it down and you just go. So we can't really do anything until Friday when we get the skid steer, I guess. No forklift. Once we get the skid steer. So that'll be the end of today's video. We'll be back Friday to record and set this thing up. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's a bit of a long one, but I'll try to cut it down as much as possible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Oh, by the way, check out the merch, riverrain.com. See ya.